Hi, this is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles. One of the questions we frequently receive from callers is, what is this 24-hour recovery liposuction? Is it real or fake? And the answer is, it depends. In general, of course, it takes longer than 24 hours to recover from a surgical procedure. But when you select minor procedures and you do them very well, such as, let's say, a little liposuction under the chin, it can make a very big difference for people, and they might get away with only 24 hours after work. That is true. What is a little bit misleading, though, is it does take several months at least to get to that final result and look your very best. So if you have something really important coming up, if you're going to be starring in a movie, if you're switching on jobs and going to be doing a lot of interviews, if you're speaking in front of thousands of people or getting married in a few months, make sure that you allow more time to recover from the procedures. The things that we might do to improve the results include patient education beforehand. I'm going to go in strategically with the areas that we remove fat and not just go random and generalizing about where to remove fat. I use a special tumescent solution. I inject that in an expert way so that the blood vessels are vasoconstricted and minimally disrupted from the surgery. It also hurts less when I use these techniques because the nerves are less disrupted as well. We like to get patients fitted with compression garments to minimize the bruising and swelling afterwards. And we perform lymphatic massages in the office when indicated to further improve the healing. One of the things that patients shouldn't do is exercise vigorously right after liposuction. The reason is we want the skin to stick down as well as possible. If you exercise, you'll get red, you'll vasodilate, you'll actually swell more afterwards and potentially even cause a little bit of bleeding to fill some of those areas where the liposuction fat was removed. So when we talk about a 24-hour recovery, usually it means time to go back to work, but not no restrictions, such as vigorous exercise. In that case, it's prudent to wait a few weeks. I hope that helps you to understand whether 24-hour liposuction recovery is a reality that may help you, or whether it is somewhat of an illusion that is not relevant to you. But either way, this information hopefully will allow you to be wiser in your decision making. If you are interested in body contouring surgery, I encourage you to check out our website, drstoker.com. We've got over 10,000 beautiful before and after pictures on there spanning tons of liposuction procedures, but also many more body contouring and facial operations. Check us out on our social media too. We're active on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. In our YouTube channel, we have over 1,000 videos so far, also answering questions like this. This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles.